I'm Evanjan. I study in grade 2C. I'm 7 years old. Today I will recite a poem on Blessed with the Ball. When I was born, I was given a ball. The ball is green and blue. My mom said, share and take good care. Keep it clean. Keep the green parts greener. Try to make the blue parts bluer. If you love this ball, it will never grow old. You know what is this ball? Yes, yes, yes. I know this is Mother Earth. You like my videos now? Please share, subscribe and like my channel.